Today I'm going to show you very basic tutorial for web hosting. It's for InterServer or many others, whatever I have times to upload. So let's start for login. Click Control Panel. You can click on Account Manager, Domain Setup. I'm going to show you as a demo. So add a new domain. But I'm going to show you a demo for another existing domain. So create a demo. So let's see, I can put here demo, and then before going there, you can change here your domain, what you like to do a demo. So you can hear the small corner of this section. So you can click here, click subdomain as a demo. So let's put a demo here. So I'm creating a sub demo for you. So okay, this is a demo. Now the second thing, you have to go for a database. Click here, database. Okay. So for example, I am going to delete this and I'm going to show you again. So just beginning actually. So you can create here a demo. So this is, I'm creating a new demo here. And now you can click here, advance. So username could be a demo, and you can put the password here. Let's say I put the password here. So instead of generated password, I can put demo. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's okay. So demo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a demo. Then create. So what you do, copy all this credential and put it on your notepad. Joomla. And now you can create and download. And after you come back here, go System File Management. Click on File Manager. Click on your domain. Double click. And again double click on public HTML. And now you here upload Joomla file. Start uploading. Click here and then click extract. After extraction, go in a front page, click demo. Now it says that it's not private, so you can go here, SSL certificate, go to the main website, click here account manager, SSL certificate. Usually it's installed automatically, but if it is not, you can click here and then when it install, you can save, or you can change whenever you want. Let's say I go for this one and save. It takes a couple of like hours to activate. So let's keep working for this one. So I can go in advance and continue to proceed. So this is main website of Joomla.com. So it says that enter the name of Joomla site. So let's say I can click here a demo test website. So start login data. So what's the real name of super user? Okay, so the real name I can say demo, Mr. Demo. So real name is Mr. Demo. And user, set the username for account. So whatever you want to do it account, you can click here, admin, and the password you can add admin, so you can demo 123. So that's demo 123. Just remember. So put demo 123. So enter the email of super user website. So what I do, so I put whatever you want to put email. So put it specifically would you log in actually. So next you can click here. The database is same thing. When you copy it here, it says localhost. So the database is called here Relax Cup Demo. Username, okay, so okay, here the database was password was, what was the password? Demo 123456. So this is demo. Okay, so here we can take as a demo and whatever you want. So, oh, database name, sorry. So database name is, this is a database name. And here you can put username. What was the username, by the way? Yeah, username is the same. Relax Cup Demo. It's a demo, and then here, whatever you want. So demo, or you can use a default. It doesn't matter. Now you can do install a database. We're gonna go back. So where it's gone? Continue, proceed. So demo website, go, and then real name Mr. Demo, username. I can click whatever, admin, demo 123456. Click here, email. Okay, email. Okay, go the next. Oh, type. Okay, localhost. Enter the password. Password is this. Database name is exactly the same, and this is you can use as a default or you can change. Now it says your password is too short. Okay. You go back and go to database. And the demo, you can click here manage, and this says that your password, where is the password? Full access, manage. Now you can use as manage user. You can manage, of course, create a new password. Click change password. Come back here. Now, this one also use the same password, whatever the demo is. And then here, you can use the same password and install. So, the Joomla website is installed and the job is done. Now, the second thing you have to do is go to the main panel and you can FTP management and you can log in from FTP management. I think so that's all today. Thank you.